Have you been intrigued by the world of credit card points and miles, but don't really know the best way to use them to your advantage? Stay tuned and I'll show you the best way to plan your trip using points and miles. What's up everyone, I'm Lindsay with Mind Money Balance. I'm a financial therapist talking about all things helping you get your mind and money in balance. Today I'm going to walk you through the importance of working backwards when you're planning a trip with miles and points so you can accumulate points and miles that help you reach the destination that you want to reach. So I'm going to be doing a lot of screen shares today.
All right, so what I'm gonna do in this example is take a look at the Denver International Airport. So what you wanna do is plug in your airport and then hop over to their Wikipedia page. Then when you come over here, you're gonna click on airlines and destinations. What that is going to do is show you whereabouts your airport flies directly. So when we scan, we see a lot of these like little airlines that have like 1 or 2 destinations. What we really want are the ones that have a bunch of destinations. So it looks like Frontier Airlines and Southwest are gonna be our best bets. So let's just say, okay, you wanna fly Southwest. I think it would be fun to do a weekend in San Francisco. So you know that you're gonna fly Southwest to San Francisco. Then what we want to do is pop in San Francisco hotels. And the nice thing about San Francisco, like a lot of big places, is there are going to be a ton of different hotels. But let's say you are a Hilton loyalist. Oh, perfect. There's a Hilton San Francisco Union Square. And let's say we're going to do a long weekend in August. Usually there will be some additional options here. Like for example, it'll usually look like that, but you want to click on more options so you can see how many points you would need. Click on that use points and see what is available. And we're going to get rid of the featured rates. So it looks like there's a bunch of different options really, but like let's say we're going to do the cheapest one and you just want like a regular queen, you can see that it would be 60,000 Hilton Honors points. So then that is how you know how many Hilton points you need. So Hilton credit cards, just kind of see what's out there. Look at this. There is, ooh, this one's great. Earn 125,000 Hilton points when you spend 2,000 in eligible purchases. That is amazing. So with that 60 points, with that 60,000 miles, with this card, we've already gotten 2 free nights. And if we're traveling with a partner, bonus, they get it too. And then you have met your points requirement. So let's see about flights. So that flight we had decided was Denver to San Francisco. Let's do that long weekend in August. We're gonna use points and we wanna get rid of any that aren't nonstop. Look at that. So we're gonna fly at 6 p.m. to left, love it. And then flying back, we're gonna fly back, ooh, 8:30 sounds about good. Click on that, hop on over to continue. Look at that, so for each person, each adult, it's 25,300 miles or 50,600. So then we do the same thing. We go Southwest, credit card, 40,000. So again, if each of you guys is signing up for this, that minimum spend's only $1,000. Boom, you've got your long weekend, you've got your Hilton hotel all figured out, you've got your airfare all figured out, and now you know how to do it.
So that's how I do it. I like to work myself backwards. The great thing about this is sometimes you end up going to destinations that might not have been on the top of your list. Add different places into your to-do list or to travel list that you might not have normally picked out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to click on that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.